Hello everyone and welcome to this course. If you are new, my name is Mohammed Barghouti. I am a civil engineer working since 2012, carrying a master's degree in environmental science, a bachelor degree in civil engineering. I'm a graduate member of the Institute of Civil Engineering in the United Kingdom, and I am a certified PMP. But most importantly, I will be your Excel instructor. I have been using Excel since 2006, and I believe it is one of the most essential tools that has been ever created. In these days, the vast requirements of supply and demand of millions of goods worldwide generate tremendous amount of data that needs to be analyzed, presented, and organized in a very frequent pace. And as far as I know, no human brain can do that by itself, but with Excel they can. I believe, and I'm sure that you agree with me, that it became a shame in the job world not to know this essential tool. For me, literacy in any career is equivalent to the ignorance of Excel in these days. When you decide to ride along with me in this journey, you will be able to understand Excel, learn all the essential tools needed to be able to analyze, understand, and present any amount of data in an efficient and impressive way. From formulas to complicated features, dates and texts, pivot tables and graphs, dynamic dashboards, and much more. And you will get an amazing Excel sheet that I have created by myself that, if followed properly, it will support you financially. It is a financial tracker created for you. Learning Excel will cost you the time of watching one season of Game of Thrones and a cost of 5 cups of coffee. So, hope to see you on the other side. But whatever you decide, stay productive and enjoy your coffee.